How to merge PDF files into one. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to combine and merge PDF files quickly and easily. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once you're inside, just click on the search bar and simply search for combined PDF. And now here, on the search result, just click on the second link right here. So here, just click on it. And after that, you'll see the interface like this. Now here, you simply have to click on upload file. And now here from the pop-up menu, simply select the file which you want to merge. And here, once you're done uploading the file, then you simply have to click on combine. Now after that, just have to wait for some time for it to combine your PDF. And here, once you're done with it, you can see that it has automatically downloaded the PDF file as well. Now here you can simply open the file and edit it as per your need. And that's it. That's how you can combine and merge your PDF files. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.